Hi students, how are you? Okay, till last class we have seen geometric progression and the nth term of geometric progression. This class we will see sum of n terms of GP and some problems in that GP. Apart from that we will see sum of infinite GP, sum of n terms of infinite GP. Okay. But we have to do practice, that is very important. Okay, now come to the class. This class, coming to the topic, this class, sum of n terms of GP. Sum of n terms of GP. Let GP is, let A is first term, R is common ratio of GP. Therefore, general form of GP is, therefore, general form of GP is AR square dash A into R power n minus 1, but R not equal to 1, remember. Okay, now see, we want to find sum of n terms. Let Sn is sum of n terms of GP. What does it mean? That is, sum of n terms means we can write these are the terms T1, T2, T3, T dash. So Sn is equal T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus, sorry, not T1, T2. There it is. Actually, this is formula. This is general formula for Sn. Okay, you can keep it like this. Therefore, Sn is equal first term, second term, third term. So A plus AR plus AR square dash A into R power n minus 1. Let equation 1. Multiply this equation with R on both sides. Multiply with R on both sides. R into Sn. So A into R, AR square, I multiply with R on both sides. AR cube dash. With R minus 1 plus 1 cancel. This is AR power n, 2. I am doing 2 minus 1. I am doing 2 minus 1. That means I am subtracting these two equations. 2 minus 1 I am doing. 2 minus 1 I will write here. Or 1 minus 2, no problem, you can write. 1 minus 2. That means subtracting. Subtract, sign will be changing. Now see, AR cancel. AR square cancel. AR cube here cancel. Thus is going like this. This is AR power n. This is AR power n minus 1. This term cancel. Here this previous term. So finally here it is left. Sn minus R into Sn. Here A is left. If you go like this, here minus AR power n left. So take A common. 1 minus R power n. But here what is common? Sn common. Here Sn common. 1 minus R. We want to find Sn. Sum of n terms we need to find. So take this 1 minus R this side. So A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. R you can write, take minus common. So 1 R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. But however, in both the cases, R not equal to 1. Usually we will use this when R is less than 1. You use this, R is greater than 1. No problem, anything you can use. So finally I am writing Sn is equal, this is the formula, Sn is equal I can write a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r when r less than 1. A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. R greater than 1. What if r is equal to 1? When r is equal to 1, a plus a plus a plus a plus a plus dash a n you will get. A into n if r is equal to 1. Here I will write. Note C. If r is equal to 1, then Sn is equal a plus dash n times. So it is nothing but a into n. A. Like that you are getting a n here. What is this n? Sn means you are getting a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. This is the formula. Any formula you can use. What is a? A is the first term of Gp. R is the common ratio of Gp. N means how many terms you are going to add. N means what? Number of terms going to be added. Number of terms. N means number of terms. That's it enough. So this is the formula you are getting. Derivation is not important. Just you need to understand how to get that thing. Just copy this. We will do some problems regarding this. After that we will see infinite Gp. Just only focus on this. This is the formula. Sum of n terms in Gp. This is. Copy this. Okay, copied. Now see some problems regarding this. Have you not copied? Come on, hurry up. Next see first problem. Find the sum of the series Gp. Find the sum of the series Gp. Find the sum of Gp 1, 2, 4, 8, dash 10 terms. They are asking in this Gp 10 terms sum they are asking. Okay. Now see solution. What is given? Given that 1, 2, 4, 8, dash are in Gp. So Gp means this is first term. A is 1. Common ratio T2 by T1. T2 by T1. 2 by 1, 2. So how many terms they are going to add? 10 terms. So n is equal to 10 is given. Now we know everything. A, R, N. Substitute here. Here R is greater than 1. You can use this formula. Any formula result remains same. But if you use this, that would be more good. Good practice, that is nothing else. Okay. Therefore, Sum of entrance formula, first write formula a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Now we want to find n10. Sum of first 10 terms. Sum of 10 terms of the GP. So S10 they are asking. Substitute the values a 1 into r2 2 power 10. Substitute values 10 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Simplify this. 2 power 10 how much? 2 power 10 1024. If possible you can do simplification. So 1023, that is the answer. If possible you have to give maximum simplified answer. Remember. See the second question. See the second question here. How many terms of the GP 64, 32, 16? How many terms of the GP? Different models I will do. How many terms of the GP 64, 32, 16 that has the sum GP 64, 32, 16 dash has the sum 127 1 by 2 has the sum. First understand the question. First you have to understand the question. So how many terms of the GP? This is GP. If you add 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus dash like that, how many terms of GP you would get? 127 1 by 2. To add how many terms in this sequence such that the result is must be 127 1 by 2. This is the question. That means while finding the sum of the terms, you must know how many terms you are going to add. That is very important. You must know. Okay. Now see solution. See here given. What is given? 64, 32, 16 are in GP. GP means this is first term. Remember. What is common ratio? R T2 by T1. 32 by 64. R is 1 by 2. Sn is given. Sum is given. Sn is given 127 comma 1 by 2. So this is mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. 127 into 2, 254 plus 1, 255 by 2. So from this Sn you will find n. From this Sn you will find n. So that many terms gives the sum. So Sn is equal. What is the formula? A into, here R is 1 by 2, 1 minus by 1 minus R. This is Sn formula. Now substitute the values. Sn. So A into, A means how much? Sn means 50 by 2, isn't it? A means 64 into 1 minus R. R means 1 by 2. 1 by n by 1 minus R. From this equation you will get n value. That is how many terms? So let n terms. N is the number of required terms. Now simplify this. 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Get 64 this side. Get 64 this side. This implies 250 by 2 into 64, 128. 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 2 power n. This is 1 minus 2 power n by 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This 2 comes in the numerator. So here 1 minus 1 by 2 power n is equal. Finally this is left. This 2 comes up, cross multiplication. 256. So take 1 by 2 this side, this is this side. That means 1 by 2 power n is equal 1 minus 255 by 256. 1 by 256. 1 by 2 power n is equal, for cross multiplication we can write Cross multiplication, 2 power n is equal to 256. Shall I write 256 as 2 power 8? 2 power 8, because see, 16 into 16, 256. This is 2 power 4, 2 power 4. So I can write 256 2 power 8. Both sides base are equal, powers also equal. So n is equal to 8. Like that we have to simplify. So copy this. First understand the question. So in this sequence, if you add 8 terms, 1, 2, 3 like that, then you would get this result. 8 terms you are supposed to add to get the required result. Hope you understood. Okay, copy this. Okay guys. Next, question number 3. Next, question number 3. Find the sum of the series GP. Find the sum of the terms of GP minus 2, 1 by 2. Find the sum of the terms of GP. Okay, minus 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 8, minus 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 8, dash, minus 1 by 3 to 7, 6, 8. Last term, minus 1 by 3 to 7, 6, 8. So in this series, this is the last term. This is the last term. We want to add minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2 plus till here. How much this result? While finding the sum, we must know n. Sn, there is n in the formula. How many terms are there? So from this you can calculate what is nth term. What is n? Okay, first of all see. What is given? Given that minus 2, 1 by 2, dash, minus 1 by 3 to 7, 6, 8 are in GP. Okay. Now GP means first term is minus 2. Ratio, common ratio, T2 by T1. Rule is rule. Rule never change. 1 by 2 by minus 2. So minus 1 by 4. Even if you take these two, minus 1 by 8 by 1 by 2, minus 1 by 4. The ratio is the same between any two consecutive terms. That's why it is in GP. Let this is nth term. Let minus 1 by 32768 be the nth term. Nth term means what? Tell me. Tn is equal minus 1 by 32768. Now you know nth term formula. So what is nth term formula? A into r power n minus 1 by 32768. From this calculate a value, sorry, n value, then you can find Sn formula directly. Okay, I will write this one here so that I can use this space properly. So let this is nth term here. Therefore, a into r power n minus 1 is equal minus 1 by 32768. So a means what? Minus 2. R we know, minus 1 by 4 power n minus 1 is equal minus 1 by 32768. So take to this side. Okay. Then multiply this, how much you are getting? 32768, how much you are getting here? So implies that minus 1 by 4 power n minus 1. This minus cancel. Is a series system. Let us see. Yes. This minus into minus cancel. So minus into minus cancel means you will get how much? You will get 1 by 2 into this. 2 8 is 6, 2 6 is 12, 2 8 is 16, 2 6 is 12, 12 plus 1 3. Okay, 2 7 is 14, 14 5, 2 2 is 4. Here something number is wrong here. 32768. How much it is? 32768. You are getting. See here 32768. And you multiply with 2, you are getting 2 8 is 16, 2 6 is 12, 12 plus 1 13, 2 7 is 14, 14 plus 1 15, 2 2 is 4, 1 15, 6. So this is you are getting. So 6 5 5 3 6. So this is. Okay, this side is 1 by 4 is there. This side is this much is there. So try to write this in terms of 4. So this to be written as, how many 4s are there in this? See here. So calculation, how many 4s are there here? See, divide with 4. 6 5 5 3 6. Divide with 4. Okay. So 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 24 6 are 24. 4 3s are 12. 4 8s are 32. 4 4 16. Again 4. 4 4 is 16. Okay. 4 9s are 36. 4 6 are 24. Again 4. 4 1s are 4. 0 4 2s are 4 4s are. Again 4. So 4 2s are 8. 4 5 4 6 are. So this one we know 16 into 16. So how many 4s are there? 6 5 5 3 6 written as 1 2 3 4. In the 16, 4 into 4, 16, 4 into 4. So 4 power 8 I can write. So 4 power 8 I can write. 1 2 3 4. In this 2 4s are there. In this 2 4s are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So remember. So this could be written as 1 by 4 power 8. Since 8 is even, I can write 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 n minus 1 minus 1 by 4 8 also no problem, because 8 even number minus you will get plus 1. So both sides base are equal, powers are equal. N minus 1 is equal to 8. And is like that you should confirm m. Whether they are big numbers also you can calculate like that. Okay, don't be scared by looking into big numbers. Remember, the set base is what is there, same base is supposed to get here also. Remember, that is very common logic. Now our aim is sum of, so here total 9 terms are there, we need to add 9 terms. Therefore, S9 is equal to A into, what is the formula? A into R power. R is how much? Minus 1 by 4, less than 1, I can take. 1 minus R power n minus 1 minus R. Substitute the values. A means minus 2, 1 minus R means minus 1 by 4, power 9 by 1 minus R means, so calculate this, minus 2, this is base, this is power odd, so minus comes out, minus minus plus, 1 plus, okay, 1 by 4 power 9, keep like this, so by 1 plus 1 by 4, 1 plus 5 by 4, this is comes 8, so this becomes 5 by 4, and minus 8 into 1 plus 1 by 4 power 9 by 5. This is 5 by 4, 4 comes up, 4 into 8. Here if you take 4 power 9 LCM, final answer is minus 8 into 4 power 9 plus 1 by 4 power 9. 5 into 4 power 9, that is the answer. 4 power 9, if you want, if you wish, you can find 4 power 9. Already 4 power 8 this much value. 4 power 9 into 4, mushkil. Very big his value, not required to find out. If necessary you can calculate, that is not a big deal. Please copy this. We will see one more problem regarding this, then we will see infinite GP. Then we will see infinite GP. If you want more problems, you can search in Google, or else if you have textbooks, you can follow that, no problem. Okay? Find the sum of the series. Find the sum of the series 5 plus 55 plus sum of the series 5 plus 55 plus 5 plus dash n terms. Hope you copied this. Observe that here the given series is not in AP. Observe that here the given series is not in AP. In that case, how do you find? Try to convert into convert into GP. Then you can use the properties of GP. If it is nth term, SN means SN formula, like that. Hope you copied this. Now see how to solve this. What is given here? This is some general series is given. This is not AP, not GP. General series is given. Let Sn is equal. The sum of the terms I am taking as Sn. 5 plus 55 plus 5 dash n terms. This is not in GP. Why I am saying not GP? The ratio here 11. If you take ratio this by this, you will get different, not same. That's why that is not A. That is not GP. Sorry. In this case, how do you find? So I am going to do the procedure how to convert this into GP. In case of instead of 5 here, if there is 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus sorry, 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 1 plus, in place of 5 1 is there, or 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 6 7 8 9. The procedure is remained same. Suppose they would ask 2 plus 222 plus 222 plus dash 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 n terms, 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus that, like that. So whether there is number 5 or 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, any number, same model, the procedure remains same. One problem I will do, wherever you see this type of model, you have to handle like that only. So what is the procedure? Convert in terms of nines always. Whatever given this one, convert in terms of nines. After that, 9 could be written as 10 minus 1. This is the logic. So first I am taking 5 common. 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 dash 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 n terms. So multiply and divide with 9. Multiply and divide with 9. Both numerator and denominator. So this 9 I will take inside. The numerator I will take inside. This is outside left. 9 plus 9 into 111, 999 plus, if you wish you can write like this, n terms. 9, how could you write 9? 10 minus 1. How could you write 99? 100 minus 1, 1000 minus 1. Like that you should convert this model question always in terms of 9 only. Suppose if it is given 9 directly, happy, directly you can write 10 minus 1. Otherwise, take common, multiply to 9 and divide, then take inside, do this. Now see, 5 by 9, 9 I could write 10 minus 1, 99, 100 minus 1, 999, 1000 minus 1. Like that the series is going on, n terms. So here, all 10 multiples together, write all these together, all minus 1 together. So 10 plus, 100 plus, 1000 plus, dash dash dash, these are their n terms. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, like that. Take minus common, 1 plus, 1 plus. How many times it exists? N times it exists. N times it exists. Hope you understood. Now this is in GP. See, this is in GP. I will write one more step. 10, 10 square, 10 cube, dash dash dash, n terms. This is 1 plus 1 plus 1, n times means 1 into n. 1 into n. So this is in GP. This series is in GP. So here apply sum of n terms of GP. So here A is 10. What is common ratio? 10 square by 10. That means 10. So Sn is, what is Sn formula? Sn formula, A into, that means 10 into 10 power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1. This series, I have found the result like this. This result copy paste here. So finally it is what, tell me? 10 by 9, 10 power n minus 1. So finally, therefore, Sn is equal 5 by 9 into this part. This inside this part is this result. 10 by 9 into 10 power n minus 1. Minus n is there. If you leave like that, no problem. If you take 9 LCM, no problem. That would be good. So 5 into 10 into 10 power n minus 1, 9 into n, 9n, by 9 into 9, 81. This also you can write. Suppose if it is given 4, only 4 by, here the remaining answer is remains same, 4 by 81. If it is 7, 7 by 81. Rest of everything same. This is the application of GP. How do you use GP? This is the given series not in GP directly, but we convert it into GP so that we applied Sn. This is Sn formula I applied because this is in GP. See here, I have written clearly. Okay, copy this. After doing so many problems, you will get ideas and logic. By doing one or two problems, you would not get. But you have to clear the concept first. Then do more number of problems as much as possible. Next we will see infinite GP. Copied, guys? Now we will see infinite sum of infinite GP. Sum of the terms of an infinite GP. First of all, how do you define the infinite GP? First take the general GP. Let A is the first term, R is the common ratio of GP. In the brackets, R not equal to 1. GP. Okay? Therefore, the general form of GP is A comma AR square dash A into R power n minus 1. This is GP, general GP. What is infinite GP? Infinite GP means if conditions, if mod or less than 1, mod or less than 1 means, that is, in brackets I am writing, if R will less between, mod or less than 1 means, if R lies between minus and 1 and n approaching to, n tending to infinity, this means tending, n approaches to infinity, this meaning I am writing here, that is, n approaching to, n tends to, n tending to, n tends to infinity. This is infinity symbol. If mod or less than 1 and n tends to infinity, then the GP is called. Then the GP is called, this GP called infinite GP. Infinite GP, there are so many terms. We cannot say 10 terms, 20 terms. There is no limit. Unlimited. The number of terms are unlimited. At the same time, r must be lies between minus 1 and 1. R must not exceed 1. Infinite GP, r strictly lies between minus 1 and 1 only. So, in any GP follows these two conditions. That is called infinite GP. In this case, what would happen? How to find sum of this? We want to find sum of infinite GP. We want to find. Let S infinity is the sum of infinite GP. So what we need to find? S infinity is equal a plus ar plus ar square plus dash infinity. This result we need to identify. So here this infinity means you should understand that when r value lies between minus 1 and 1, the power is increasing. Remember here, see here. When r lies between minus 1 and 1, okay, since minus 1 less than r less than 1, as the power is increasing, value is decreasing. As power is increasing, value is decreasing. Okay. As n tends to infinity, r power n tending to 0. This one you should understand. How? I will give one example. To make you understand this, I will give one example. See, suppose r is equal to 0.1 I am taking. 0.1 lies between this result. If you increase the powers of this, the value is decreasing. See here, put r is equal to 1, r power 1, 0.1, r square, 0.1 whole square, 0.01, r cube, 0.1 whole cube, 0.001. Okay, next, r power 4, 0.14, 0.0001. If you take r power 10, what would happen? 0. Power 10, 0. After 9 zeros, 3, and one more 0, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose n10, we are getting 9 zeros. 9 zeros means this is almost 0. We can say. After decimal, 3 zeros, we will consider this as almost 0. We will vanish like this. Almost 0, we are thinking like that. R power 10 now. N infinity means n can take very huge value. R power 1000 or 10,000. This is almost to 0. So dash r power n tending to 0. Like that you would get. When r lies between minus 1 and 1, as n approaching to very huge value, infinity is not a symbol like pi. Pi is 22/7. We will calculating. We use the fraction like that. E is a rest number like that. Okay, but infinity is not a symbol like that. Infinity in physics we will say g is 9.8 meters per second square. Like that, it is not. Infinity is not a symbol. Infinity means it approaching. Tens means what? It's approaching. Tens means it means approaching. It means approaching the value. It approaching to infinity means very huge value. Positive side very huge value. So that r point 0. Now come to here. This is GP. Now what is GP formula we know? First from GP, what is SN formula? From GP, SN is equal A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. When n tending to infinity, what would happen? As n tending to infinity, what would happen? R power n tending to 0. I have written here. So substitute these values here. Therefore, S infinity is equal A into 1 minus 0 by 1 minus r. So implies that S infinity is equal A by 1 minus r. So this is sum of infinite geometric progression formula. So to find sum of infinite series, first term by 1 minus common difference. So this result, the series is convergent series. Convergent means if you add any number of terms like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 1000 terms, 1 crore terms, 100 crore terms, that value approaching to one fixed value. So it is not polarization, it is converging to one value. However, you are adding 10 terms, 100 terms, 1000 terms, million terms, it is approaching to one result, one particular value. So that is this. That's why this series is called convergent series. Okay, till here you should copy. This is our formula. I will give one or two problems here. Then I will stop this class. Hope you understood why this becomes 0. Here I have shown one example. As power is increasing, the value is approaching to 0. That's it. Tends to or tending. N tends to. Tends means approaching. Okay, I will do at least 2 problems from this. So first one in this. Find the sum to infinity of the geometric progression. Find the sum to infinity of the GP. The GP is given. What is this GP? Minus 5 by 4, 5 by 16, minus 5 by 64. The GP is minus 5 by 4, 5 by 16, minus 5 by 64, dash, infinity. Alternate minus 4, 16, 64, dash like that, infinity. So while finding infinite GP, you should apply this formula, direct formula this question. So solution. What is given? Given that minus 5 by 4, 5 by 16, 5 by 64, dash, infinity. So this is infinite geometric progression. IGP you can write. IGP infinite geometric progression. So first term A is minus 5 by 4. R is T2 by T1. So 5 by 16 by minus 5 by 4. So simplify this. 5 cancel. I will write one more step for better understanding. So 5 by 16 into 4 by minus 5. 4 times. Minus 1 by 4. This is in minus 1 to 1. In infinite GP, R must be lies between minus 1 and 1. If it is not lies between minus 1 and 1, we cannot apply this formula 100%. Remember. That's why we have to observe. Now therefore, S infinity is equal minus 5 by 4 plus 5 by 16 plus minus 64 and so on. This is the sum they are asking. So the formula A by 1 minus R. So A means first term. This is A means first term. Minus 5 by 4 by 1 minus R. R means. So simplify this. This is the formula. So this is equal minus 5 by minus plus 1 by 4. So minus 5 by 4 by 4 plus 1 5 by 4. These both are same cancel minus 1. That means in this series, if you add any terms, 100 terms, 1000 terms, crore terms, okay? If you add the terms in your lifetime, write the terms. Infinity means terms are keep on coming. Even if your life ends, but the series never ends. That is infinite series. If you add such all terms, the result never exceeds minus 1. That result never exceeds minus 1. Despite you are adding 100 terms, 1000 terms, crore terms, 10 crore, trillion terms, does not matter. The sum does not exceed minus 1. That's why such series are called as convergent. That result approaching to a fixed value despite you are adding number of terms. Okay? Hope you understood. See one more question. See one more question in this. Second example. Find the sum of the following infinite series. Same model. So I will go for another different model. Express the recurring decimals as rational. Express the recurring decimal. Express the recurring decimal as rational. What is the recurring decimal here? 0.36 bar. 0.36 bar. This is recurring decimal. 36 bar means this 36 is repeating continuously, unlimitedly. So, what is its equivalent rational number? We should write that is in P by Q form. So, this question is application of infinite geometry. So, let this result is, see the solution. Let this number is x. Let x is equal 0.36. Shall I write this 0.36 like this? 36, 36, 36, 36. That is going like that. So, now how do I write this one? See, x is equal. First I will take till here. 36 plus. Next I will write, first I will write this 36. Then I will write this 36. How do I write? 0.0036. Then this 36 I will write. How would I write 0.000036? So like that you will get first term, second term, third term, fourth term. You should write infinitely. Okay. Now see, remove this point. So 36 by 100. Here 36 by 10,000. Here 36 by how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So take 36 common or I'll take 36 by 100 common. That would be so good. 1 plus. Here what is left? 1 by 100. Here 1 by 10,000 because only 2 zeros I took common. 10,000 left. So dash infinity. Now see here. Come to here. I will write one more step here. There is space. So 36 by 100 into 1 plus. See this 1 by 10 whole square. Shall I write this is 1 by 10 whole power 4? This is infinite series. Next 1 by 10 whole power 2, 4. Next you will get how much? 6 you will get. This is infinite GP this is. So here this is IGP, infinite geometry progression. So what is here? A is first term 1. A is 1. R is what? 1 by 10 whole square. This is R. 1 by 10 whole square. R. Therefore, S infinity is equal. So I am writing only this sum I am finding. Then I will take X. I will replace here. So before that, let this is one equation. That would be good. Now S infinity A by 1 minus R. A by 1 minus R. R means 1 by 1 minus 1 by, this is 1 by 100. So write 1 by 100. 100 means 100 by 99. This result. So finally from 1 I will write X is equal 36 by 100 into 100 by 99. 100 and cancel. 3 table or 9 table direct will go. 9 4s are 9 11s are. So 4 by 11. Therefore 0.36 equivalent to 4 by 11. Its equivalent rational number 4 by 11. Here I applied infinite geometric progressions. So like that, even the given series is not in the direct sequence, we can convert accordingly and apply their respective formulas. So copy this. So today class is over. Next class we will see geometric mean, how to insert geometric means and the problems. If possible, I will give introduction of harmonic progression also. Okay. Copy this. One minute I will give and I will close this. To convert this number into rational, in class 5, class 6, there is that is different method. This is application of infinite geometric progression. Here the method we use infinite geometric progression. There is that method is different. Multiply with 100, x minus 100x, 19x. There are different techniques. This is application. I have shown you that how do you apply this. Okay. Okay, thank you. We'll see you next class.